Kana muki mustu enchukoro kia bantu gaki. Wait, Mama Lydia. Wait and see people here. This is the forest in Kenya here. I've been brought inside here. Guys, just see this place the way it is. I was adventuring and seeing what is taking place here. My good men, guys, there you are. Just look at this place. Wow. Guys, this is a river bank. Yeah, I've never known that it is here. I've just been brought today here. I'm around here. Wow. I'm worried. I've never come at such a big forest close here in our area. I don't know whether it was planted this way. Guys. Wow. Guys, there. This is the forest. I was afraid that I was brought inside here. Guys, this Matamala YouTube channel. Subscribe here. Give a like. See, this is a bamboo stick again here I've seen. I didn't know whether it is here. Guys, the forest is here. Okay. Matamala here in the forest. I'm walking around. Want to see this place. It is away from home. I've just come here. I'm just walking around. As you see, I'm like a tourist today. Walking and discovering my area around us. Wow, see those big trees. The forest is here. Here we have come around. Look, such trees. Look, such areas with some big trees. At the forest here. So you can see I've been walking around here. Look at those big trees. That rain. Those trees are planted. This place is zombie-like, and now these trees have just made it dry. Around here, I'm going. Look at there, some people have just planted Nevia grass. The cows there. Look at this. Now they are preparing the place for planting. Guys, here. Look at here. These are trees over there. This is a sand soil. It's being dug inside here. There's a big hole here. This is where we get this sand soil. Okay, guys, there. Look at there. We are walking around here. This Matamala, and the point of looking how it is and how the climate is here. Very promising, very nice. Guys, look at there. Look at those trees again. Look at this place. Now I'm almost entered. Look at that place. It is being prepared for the season of planting now. People are planting here. This is the place, guys. This is the place, guys. As you see, the place is very, very neat to us. Okay. This is the place now. Look at these people have started to build this place. Okay, guys. It is here. Okay.